Hello team, morning, welcome back. It's Tuesday, August 12th. We got some news today. Not many, but New York should be kind of interesting. Let me see. Yeah, also, they have some news in London Open. Okay. Anyway, quick check of item frame. Yesterday we printed another red candle, and we kind of landed at support. Okay, the one that we were talking. I don't know if you watched yesterday's review, but I was slightly bearish. I said at some point that liquidity should go, and it went. But yeah, we touched the support. This is a valid support to me. I mean, it's not like the best support ever because didn't make a new high, but somehow this support managed to break this breaker. So I think it's a valid one. Now, all the hourly are bearish. All the hourly structure are bearish. Every hourly is printing lower low and lower highs. So I wouldn't get too bullish too soon. And also in Asia, they went to this H4 fair value gap left from yesterday, and they tapped it. Can you see here? Slightly tapped, but they tapped it. So this is not like the most bullish situation ever. And look at the rejection instantly. It's all, I don't know, like it's 90 minutes to close, but looking like it's gonna close like a bearish engulfing. So that's not like extremely bullish. What I think it could happen, if anything, is that maybe we go into the full H4 origin, and maybe we can find some strength. It's too soon to say. Like yesterday, I said that I would love if they try to take this high and then dump. I say the same thing today. I love when I have hourly sponsorship behind. If I see something like this, I will be happy to try to long, you know. But anyway, it's too soon to say. Right now, everything is pointing down. Yeah, I think they bounced. Let me go to low time frame. They bounced off this fair value gap on H1, and H1 a fair value gap. But I don't think like it's like the real bounce, you know. Can we go higher? Yes, we can. This is like a little breaker somehow, an H1 breaker if you want to call it. I don't know. This is not like extremely exciting. I would love much more if they go lower and maybe they find some strength. Also, to be honest, as I said, I'm kind of tend to be bearish, you know. Yesterday I marked out this liquidity trend line. What is it doing? Why it's so slow? Anyway, this was the trend line that we were yesterday looking at, and of course it got purged. I tried to short actually twice yesterday. First here, I think, and I didn't fill, and then here in London closed, but it dumped without me, so that's it. So yeah, I think I'm not a big fan of this kind of Asia raid, because this raid was made in Asia, but it's kind of legit because it's in untested resistance after they dumped. I think we should go lower, and then I will reevaluate once we touch the full H4 origin, bullish origin. Because if this support also gives up, it gets really, really bad. But right now I don't see any reason to long, I'm sorry. Despite us having touched the daily bullish origin, if you want to say, it's not really like an origin because it didn't make a new high. I'm not confident that this is enough to send it higher. For me to even think about longs, I need some shift in our market structure, and right now I see none, zero. All I see is bearishness. So that's enough for me for today. As you know, tomorrow I'm gonna be offline, and I'm gonna have a new video on Thursday. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.